Hi, it's you again. Quick question to all TikTokers out there. How many times have you recorded a TikTok video and the audio was disappointing? Let me take a guess. 50, 100 times? It's alright, don't feel intimidated. Been there too. With voiceovers, you can create the tone, energy and style needed to make your story go viral. I'm gonna show you how to add a very natural voice to your video. But unlike TikTok, Podcastle has a variety of them.
You might prefer using this voice.
Or maybe this one?
And here's my favorite.
Pretty cool, huh? Let me show you how to get it done. Follow these simple steps with me. Shoot your video. Open Podcastle and click on Revoice. Choose the perfect voice that fits your video. Input your video script.
This is how easily you can create your next viral TikTok.
And there you have it. See you next time.